guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-9 or Mazda 6S guys with a V6 engine 3.5 or 3.7 and you're guys trying to locate your oil pump or you're trying to replace your oil pump, stay with us guys, it will be a very helpful video. So let's go ahead, start on it. Every Mazda we get at the shop guys, we'll have at least 200 videos made on it. Our goal to save you as much money as we can. So please hit that subscribe button and let's start on the video now. So this is the oil pump right here. That's what the oil pump looks like. As you know, this is actually a Ford engine. Mazda and Ford developed together, or Ford sold it to Mazda, one of the two. But it's actually a Ford engine, that V6 3.5 and the 3.7 engine. And that's why it's a Ford Motor Company pump as well. And you'll notice that when you order the parts, it actually fits Ford, Mazda, Lincoln, quite a few vehicles. This is the pump guys, but what needs to be done to get to that pump? Okay, you need to go ahead and remove your upper intake. After you remove your upper intake, you will be able guys to remove the valve covers. Okay, these valve covers will need to be removed because you need to remove the timing cover here. And that timing cover guys, okay, you're going to remove all the belts and the crankshaft pulley as well. Okay, this is the pulley. You're going to access this through the wheel, fender liner here. Okay, and this is the side of the engine. Now, let me show you guys quick, okay, on that engine now. This is the timing cover. Timing cover, you have to be extremely careful how you remove it because we already cracked ours and you can see right in the middle, it's cracked guys. So, once you remove all the bolts, be careful how you pry that thing open. And once all that is done guys, okay, this is your pump right here. And this is the pump guys, and now you have only 3 bolts holding it to the engine, 1, 2, 3, but that pump is actually inside, okay, inside the timing cover, okay, right here. This is your water pump, and on the crankshaft you're going to find your oil pump, okay, right there. We already removed ours. Okay, let me show you where it is quick, but you need to remove the timing chain as well. There is a special tool for retiming your engine and it is right here, so if you need to guys, check it out. Now also guys, okay, let me show you how you can access and where you can see the pump from. We're getting even a new car here now for the channel, so quite a few videos will be made on another one as well. But okay, coming this way, okay, your pump will attach to the engine with 1, 2 bolts and 1 right there, 3 bolts. Then you have only 2 bolts. This is the suction tube that comes from the oil pan. This is where the car gets oil. That's where it picks the oil and sends it to the pump. So with that being said guys, that's how you remove and that's where the pump is located. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.